राज करेगा खालसा आकी रहे न कोई, ख्वार हुए सब मिलेंगे बचे शरण जो होए। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। Brothers and sisters, today thousands of Sikhs from all across the globe being at this hallowed place where there is memorial of Vietnam war martyrs, where there is memorial of Korean War, First World War, Second World War, and most importantly Lincoln Memorial. And Lincoln sitting there is looking towards Capitol Hill, as we can see that how they have designed all this place so that we should know. We used to read in our school days from cross to throne, that when you have to be politically sovereign, you have to pass through the valley of death. You have to love cross if you want to be crowned. And in our history we know that in the 18th century, when Sikh nation was fighting for its basic survival, they gave a slogan, Raj kare hain, ik hai, lad mare hain. Either we will be sovereign or we will die for the sovereignty. We will never accept slavery. And exactly many decades later, these words were said by Henry Patrick in Philadelphia in that assembly of 13 American colonies which were declaring their independence. Give me liberty or give me death. Sikhs for Justice deserves our congratulations that they have not only chosen June 6th as the day for this unique rally, but this year, June 6th, 2019 is the 75th anniversary of D-Day. And when we are talking about those times of Second World War, we must remember the persecution of Jews, Gypsies, physically handicapped, civil libertarians, communists in the hands of Nazis. We must remember the persecution in the hands of fascist Mussolini. And that was the time when in India, Gandhi was advising Britishers that when Germans enter England, they should surrender. It were the Sikhs and Sikhs alone on that subcontinent, those who came forward, joined British Army, and over 100,000 Sikh soldiers died in the Second World War so that the new world order shouldn't have Nazism, shouldn't have fascism. It is a sad story today that while we are talking here and remembering our martyrs of 35 years before during the Kalukara, June 1984, at the same time in the Delhi, that very party which is based on Nazi ideology, if the Nazi ideology was one race, one nation, one people, today the rulers in India have the same slogan, Hindu, Hindi, Hindustan. My brothers and sisters, can somebody ask the American lawmakers, opinion makers, decision makers that the man who was denied visa for 12 years from 2002 to 2014, as this man is responsible for the cold-blooded murder of thousands of innocent Muslims in the state of Gujarat, how come this cold-blooded murderer have become all of a sudden the champion of the democratic country or a champion of the democratic society? While we are talking, India in totality is going through the worst days. It may be 200 million Muslims, it may be 30 million Christians, it may be 30 million Sikhs, 100 million Dalits, so-called untouchables. They are being persecuted regularly on day-to-day basis. And let me remind you that Dr. Stan Grime of Australia who was burnt alive along with his 2, 9 and 11 years old sons in Australia, and that doctor couple was working with the leprosy patients for 30 years in the state of Odisha. The murder group Bajrang Dal, its president, has been elected as a minister now, and he is a minister in the Modi cabinet. That is the state of India today. And we from this place are giving a unique message to the whole of the world. Sikh nation, born 320 years ago as a Khalsa, is a born sovereign nation. Khalsa Badshah Jan Baghi, either Khalsa is sovereign or fighting for its sovereignty. And today we are being persecuted in a way where the language Hindi, that is being thrust upon the whole of Indians, the way Hindu values are being thrust upon whole of Indians, and land of Punjab, Indian occupied Punjab, is suffering worst. In Punjab, not only they killed one generation of the Sikhs, and that undeclared total war which began in the first week of June 1984, that is still continuing. They killed over 100,000 Sikh young men in the subsequent decade, and even today, even those youngsters there, those who are having the posters of referendum 2020 or the pictures of Sikh martyrs, are being booked under act of sedition, and they are have been put behind jail. The message from here is very clear. We need, as we have come together under the flag of Khalistan, we are remembering our martyrs today, not only of Kalukara 84 for all these 35 years, but the resolve is very clear. The very words of Sant Jarnail Singh Ji Khalsa Pindrawale, great martyr, great Sikh of 20th century, were Khalsa Ji Shahidan de Khoon da Haq lene. That we have to stand up and take the right of the blood of the martyrs, and today that right under the referendum 2020, which is very close, is being advocated as per UN Charter of Human Rights, as per international law. There shouldn't be any doubt that ultimately when we are talking about India and Pakistan, two nuclear powers, which is a nuclear flashpoint, and even after Kartarpur corridor gesture by the government of Pakistan, the way it has been opposed by Indian government, and the way even in this election campaign, Pakistan was the subject of hatred, any future war on this planet will happen between India and Pakistan, not through the traditional weapons. It will end up as a nuclear war. And my dear lawmakers in this country, those who are sitting in the White House, the only solution for that peace in that subcontinent is the buffer state of Khalistan between two nuclear states, India and Pakistan. And that Khalistan already has its boundaries between the river Jamuna and border Wagah. And that is the answer for permanent peace, stability and prosperity for the subcontinent. And let me conclude by raising 5 slogans when today we are remembering our martyrs, those who died for the Aan and Shaan of Akal Takht. As Akal Takht, when it was founded, it was 2 feet higher than the Delhi throne. It is the throne of the immortal. Time, space, powerful kings can't reduce it. Even if they can destroy a building, but not the spirit of Akal Takht. Look towards that Akal Takht in your mind, from where after the martyrdom of our martyrs, the slogan of Khalistan came. Akal Takht to aayi awaaz, 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 Akal Takht to aayi awaaz. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।